Hello and welcome guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will tell you about two airdrops. From these airdrops you can easily earn up to 100 to $1,000 because in this video I will tell you about one NFT project. From this NFT project you can earn easily $500 to $1,000, and I will tell you one airdrop in the last of video, so you will get up to $25 to $50. So first of all I will give the link of my all these links I will give on my Telegram channel, so you must join on Telegram channel, and if you are new then you have to subscribe to my channel. So what you want to do is just download this app, then you have to just create your new account, then you have to enter your email and you have to enter your referral code. So I will give the referral code in my description, or you can get it on my Telegram channel. So you have to copy and paste on this. After that you have to enter next page, you have to enter OTP from that email. So you will get email and you have to enter that on this page. So after that you will get 6-digit OTP, you have to enter and you have to click on next button. So I will just enter and you have to click on next button. After that you will get this type of page. Now what you want to do is just click on wallet button. So I will give one airdrop link on my Telegram channel. So this is magic link. From this link you will get free NFT. So what you want to do, just click on discover button, then you have to click on search button and you have to paste that link and you have to click on search button. After that you will get this type of page and you have to just wait and you will get this type of page. Now you have to scroll down and you will get this type of page. Now you have to enter email address that you have entered before sign up process. So you have to just click on claim my NFT and you will get instantly your NFT. Before that you have to follow these steps. So you have to confirm that this is your account or not. So you have to click on confirm and you will get your NFT instantly. So now you have to go back to your wallet and you will get how I will tell you that how you can see your NFT. So what you want to do, just click on cut button and you have to click on your wallet section. So you will get wallet section, you have to click on collectibles. So you will get all these NFTs, you can see here collectibles. Before that you have to click on this pencil button and you have to add your NFT. So what you want to do is you have to search Extingles. So I will just give this on my Telegram channel. So you have to just search Extingles, you can see the video and you have to just search. After that you will get enabling Extingles. So you have to wait some time. After that this will enable and you will get you can see your NFT here. So I will just wait. You can see that you have one NFT, one collectibles, and you can see that X Blocktus you have this NFT. So I will tell you, I will give updates about this and how you can sell this and how you can get $500 to $1,000 profit. So I will tell you all these updates on my Telegram channel, so you must join that. Now we will move towards our second airdrop. So second airdrop is from one Doge airdrop. So what you will get, you will get one Doge airdrops. So you will get one Doge tokens. This is only for 2000 people. So you will get 2000 people, random people. So what you want to do is you have to confirm your entry, then you have to follow them on Telegram, you have to join their Telegram group, you have to follow them on Twitter, and you have to enter your Binance Smart Chain. So I have tell you that how you can claim this. So now you have to answer one question. So you have to enter your Telegram username and after that you have to enter your Twitter username. So you have to just enter that and then you have to complete all the steps. So these are steps. Now you have to vote them on coinspinner.net and after that you have to enter, you have to take screenshot. After that you have to upload it on that link 1.1 GB or anything, and you have to copy that link and you have to paste on that page. So you will get, you have to collect more and more points and your chance will be high to get that tokens, and these tokens will be